Rule 11. Create distance from temptation. Money rarely disappears in big dramatic moments. It leaks in small ones, when temptation is close. Imagine two candy cabinets in a kitchen. One stands at a child's eye level, doors transparent, shelves open, sweets easy to grab. Every passing glance tempts, and every passing hand can reach in. By the end of the day, most candies are gone, taken without thought. The other cabinet is placed high, out of reach, and locked with a key. The same candies sit inside, just as sweet, just as tempting. But without easy access, they remain untouched. Wealth works the same way. Temptation becomes dangerous when it's in focus and easily accessible. Willpower alone often isn't enough. The smarter strategy is to create distance from temptation. Ways to protect yourself from impulsive spending. Remove shopping apps from your phone. Unsubscribe from promotional emails. Don't save card details for one-click purchases. Avoid places or websites where you tend to spend impulsively. Don't go grocery shopping when you're hungry. Create a budget and follow it. Review your spending at the end of each week. Plan for irregular or seasonal expenses in advance. Use the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before making non-essential purchases. Distance and controlled access turn impulses into deliberate choices, letting your resources stay safe and your spending intentional. Wealth isn't built by resisting every urge. It's built by designing a life where urges don't dominate. Distance isn't deprivation. Distance is peace.